Yo, what's up y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video cracking lacking, I have to shed some light on that's right, why it's important to have a dash cam.
But Zosh, bro, I'm a great driver. I don't need a dash cam. Why would I waste my money on a dash cam when I got GoPro, bro? Dash cams are for old people, bro. I'm cool. I'm hip. Skirt.
I really do hope none of y'all sound like that. But if you're the select 0.0.0.01% of an inbred, not display, accidents happen more than you think. Just because you are a good driver don't mean the drivers around you are good drivers. And sometimes when it comes to accidents, the insurance always rules in the other person's favor. Why? I don't know. I'm blaming the Illuminati. That's why we all need one of these. You knew it was coming. What's wrapped up in this beautiful package is the Vava 2K dash cam. This is just a little preview of what it does, you know what I mean? Just a little descriptiones. You feel me? So we took the top off like LeBron or Dwayne Wade. And here we have our beautiful packaged product. This is our camera right here. And then underneath it, we have all the supporting accessories needed. And it's all labeled. So everything that you see laid out is the dash cam, the car mount, the car charger, the snapshot button, charging cable, crowbar, cable clips, and obviously in my hand, the user guide, which is what I'm reading. Fake it till you make it. Look how tight this dash cam is, bro. Like, this thing is thick. And the cool thing about it, it's magnetic to the car mount. So all we have to do is just boop, and that's it. Magnetic. USB and SD card reader is at the bottom or the top depending on how you look at it. So we're gonna go ahead and insert our SD card and mount this bad girl up and test it out while we journey to the homie's house. So I'm in the resolution settings. We're gonna change it to 1080p 30 frames per second. Instead of having 2K 30, we're gonna do 1080p 30. And then from there, LCD display. Okay, that's fine. Rear lens off, we don't need that. Wi-Fi, internal GPS, pretty cool. Let's get out of here. Advanced setting, parking mode. Oh wow, that's a lot of stuff. Let's get out of there. So overall, this is our quality. It looks pretty damn good. I like this. Now for the real test. Touched down to Fred's house about like 3 hours ago. I totally forgot I was vlogging today. Oh, I'm sorry. So that boy Fred moving on out. Fred finna move to Colorado. So he's packing up most of his stuff to get the U-Haul ready. What made you want to move to Colorado, bruh?
Because it's cold.
That's it?
And remember that movie, Disney Channel, Johnny Tsunami, snowboarding?
That was a movie?
Yeah, it was a movie.
Johnny Tsunami?
Oh
yeah, you right.
Hawaiian dude.
Yeah.
I always wanted to snowboard, dog.
Alright, bro, I'm glad you living out your dreams, bro. I'm proud of you, dog.
Yeah, bro, I'm gonna go on the slopes.
I feel you, bruh. So I guess, you know, if you didn't know, now you know. Fred's on his way to Colorado to ride slopes.
Yeah. If y'all need a discount on Skunk too, you feel me?
Oh, you got don't tell me you got partnered up with Skunk too, bruh.
Make sure you use code TAFFE15.
That's it, dog. 15% off Skunk 2 products?
Yeah.
I might gotta charge you for that promo, bruh, cause they ain't sponsoring me, dog. Damn, dog. Skunk 2, why y'all don't mess with what I do to y'all, bruh? I got the alpha header on the Integra. I got the RR exhaust on the RSX. What's up, bruh?
How come they don't want me, man? Why don't they want me?
On the way home back from Freds. Got some exciting news to share with you guys. I don't know. I did. Should have started off this video with the great news. Well, by the title of the video, we fixed our issue. And once I get home, I'll explain everything on how I did it. It's gonna be hard to hear me. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But the update, the problem the Integra had was I was running no thermostat. So all I did was put back the OEM thermostat, bleed it again, and now my temps are perfect. Doesn't overheat. I talked to James Howden, which is like the K24 Integra Type R, like my idol, and he was like, bro, your temps were fine before. I guess like my temps reaching like 205 and 210, that's normal, I guess. But I've never had that issue, so I was paranoid. So I put back in the OEM thermostat, and now my temps read 185 flat. The highest it will be is 187, and that's it. That's the highest it'll go is 187. So it's fine. Now I'm on my way to Randy's shop to get this thing aligned because we have another track day this Saturday. So yeah, man, I'm trying to do my best out here to get you guys some quality content while getting that seat time in, baby. And then the next week, which would be the 21st, I have another track day. I'm on a roll. Huh? What? So we're at Randy's, got the car aligned. Actually, my alignment was actually pretty fine. I guess it's my tires that's throwing it off. My toe is fine. The rear was needed to be a little bit adjusted, but Randy says it's fine. I just gotta get tires. Hopefully, I land this tire sponsor with them boys over at yeah, so hopefully, you know what I mean? Cross fingers. I need some tires, playboy. Also, I threw back on the cut rear bumper, and the homie Soul Creations is making me a diffuser that's more, actually, that has more of a purpose than this top one. This is just obviously for looks, so, but it looks good though. Obviously, it's just for looks. It has no purpose. I'd probably be better without the diffuser and just having the regular cut bumper, but that is indeed the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did enjoy it, leave a like on the video, because guess what, baby? Like I stated earlier in this video, we have a track day this Saturday, August 15th, down at PBIR. Again, this time we're doing the road course. We're not doing the autocross event. We're doing a road course where we get the full 2.211 turn mile track to stretch her legs. I guess here's my time to address some of the previous comments on the track video. This car is built, or was, or is being built to do road course racing, not SCCA racing, autocross racing. That's why I have the wing on it, diffuser. I don't want to get people mixed up with like what I intend on doing with my car. The purpose of the build of the Integra is to have a nice road course car. That's pretty much it. I do want to get into grid life and all that stuff when I actually know more about the motorsport and like putting proper parts on the car for like heat exchanges and then aero, like just having the car a super dialed street car. Like a super dialed street car. But all in all, I want to make a name for myself in the whole community of like road course racing, and you know what I mean, I want to reach a new audience, bring more people to the channel. Oh, I can't wait to get my Evo, dog. I just want my Evo. Me and Randy have been talking about Evo 10s lately, so I could get an Evo 10, but it 8 just has my heart. But the 10 though, the 10, I don't know, dog, I don't know. How was that dash cam footage though? Pretty cool. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.